Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a quick hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A30. So Samsung Galaxy A30 is the latest mid-range smartphone announced in the A series along with the Samsung Galaxy A50, which we already done on this channel. So Samsung Galaxy A30 comes with quite good hardware for the price segment it is being offered, and it also comes with the new Infinity U display along with the Super AMOLED panel. So first let's have a look at the display aspect of this device. So this device comes with 6.4 inches Full HD Plus resolution display, 1080p by 2340 resolution with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It's a Super AMOLED panel, and you can actually see it's really vibrant, crisp, and viewing angles are really great, and so is the touch response of the device. Being an Infinity U display, you get a lot of screen space on the device, and the Super AMOLED panel gives it a great feel altogether when using the device. So that's the display aspect of the Samsung Galaxy A30, and you can see that the notch is pretty well implemented and the bezels are pretty much minimalistic. Now looking at the back panel. So here we have a glass-like finishing on the back panel, but unlike the other smartphones, this comes with a plastic finishing, and it also has a rear camera which is a dual camera setup, LED flash, and also fingerprint scanner on the back panel. While the A50 had in-display fingerprint scanner, the Samsung Galaxy A30 has the rear fingerprint scanner located on the rear panel. You can also see it's a glossy finishing, and it comes in different colors including blue, white, and black colors. So there is also Samsung branding on the back panel. Now coming back to the front panel, you get the 6.4 inches Full HD Plus resolution display, and it feels quite solid in hands, and it's quite lightweight as well. The Samsung Galaxy A30 runs on Android 9.0, so you can see that it has the latest version of Android, and this has the One UI from Samsung. So Samsung had announced the One UI a few months back, and the One UI is a new version of the Samsung's own custom UI, and this is the one which is powering the Samsung Galaxy A30. So if you have used a Samsung smartphone, you might be knowing the Samsung's Experience UI. This is a more refined UI with a lot of additional features, and it's a bit more refined UI in terms of the overall experience, and feels really nice. This device runs on Exynos 7904 octa-core chipset with either 3GB RAM or 4GB RAM, and it also comes with 32 and 64GB storage. Now let's have a look at the camera on this device. So this comes with a dual camera setup. It has a primary 16 megapixel camera and a secondary 5 megapixel depth sensing camera, and it's also wide angle camera available on this device. There is also a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see the selfie camera has come pretty good with good details being offered. So that's the camera aspect of the Samsung Galaxy A30. Now finally talking about the battery. So phone comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, and there is also fast charging supported. So being a large capacity battery, you can easily get more than a day of battery life with the Samsung Galaxy A30. So Samsung Galaxy A30, the pricing of the device is not known yet. So the India launch will happen pretty soon. So once the device is launched in India, then only we will get to know the pricing and other details and availability as well. So as of now, the Samsung Galaxy A30 looks like a decent offering in this price segment with the Exynos chipset, 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display, dual camera setup, the Infinity notch, and overall the Samsung One UI also looks pretty good. So this will be available in different colors. We have the blue variant, there is also white color, and also it comes in black variants. So that's the detailed hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A30. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.